first step is to open your favorite browser. For me, my favorite browser is Firefox. And first thing you're going to search, we are going to install Python programming environment. So we are going just to say Python downloads, and make sure you check the URL to make sure that it is from www.python.org. Do not download a software that is not from the original site. So let's see how it goes. Remember, you will also require another software, an environment development IDE. Today in this tutorial we are going to use VS Code. So you are going to write VS Code download so that you can download the required softwares. So from there you can see here you have downloaded the latest version of Windows. So it is the latest version of Python. It's Python 3.1.2.1. So I'll just click on download in order for me to download the latest version of Python to my computer. Also make sure you keep track of where the download will be going. Here it is. As you can see, the Python 3.1.2.1, it's downloading. So from there, let's take a look at VS Code. You'll click on the first link, which is from code.visualstudio.com. Click on that link in order for you to go to the original site of VS Code. So my network is a bit slow, although I'm downloading here. So for VS Code I won't download because I've already downloaded it in advance. It won't have any problem. So if you're using Mac or if you're using Linux, you just click here. Linux, if it's Mac, you click here and you will download the relevant packages, and then from there the process will be the same. Everything else should be the same from here. So our Python is almost complete downloading, so that we can check what next. So I think Python has completed downloading, and I open to the file directory where it went, and as you can see, this is it, the first one. Click on it, then click on open. So let's wait for it to load, and it is not that big. It is only 25.3 megabytes, so it's not a big file. It's one of the smallest, as you can see. So click on learn. So I'm learning Python on Windows 10. I have already learned it. I have already downloaded it before. So for you, just click on, maybe it will ask you for the installation, but when installing Python, make sure you click on a button that will say add to path on the installation, and then you will install Python on your computer. So because I had already downloaded it, let us verify the installation of Python on our computer.